Now if you're wondering where we get our craft materials from, it's places like this. A few weeks ago we found a couple of pieces of a really nice spongeware bowl, and we've come back here to try and see if there were some more of the missing pieces so we can kintsugi them together. There's a piece. Oh, another piece. Fingers crossed. Maybe one more piece. This piece? No. That is very nice, but it's not what we're looking for. Now that's as many pieces as we could find. Now let's get back to the house and see if we can put the puzzle back together again.
Kintsugi literally means to join with gold. When a treasured piece of lacquered pottery is broken in Japan, great care is often taken to repair the piece. Though unlike the ideal repair that springs to mind, where any visible marks of the break are carefully covered, the art of kintsugi lies in making the broken both obvious and beautiful. A piece of pottery that has been repaired in this way is actually more impressive and more precious than if it were flawless and unbroken. Kintsugi emphasises the imperfect and the partial, and it shows that damage and loss are part of an object's journey through time. It's a very different but very beautiful way of appreciating aging, breakage and repair. In many ways, Kintsugi is a metaphor for life. It reflects a Japanese idea of Wabi Sabi, which embraces change, loss, wear and tear as a kind of beauty. Kintsugi uses a mixture of lacquer and precious metal dust to reattach broken pieces. A plate or a bowl repaired in this way is left with very obvious lines of gold, silver or platinum that highlight the intricate cracks and draw attention to any missing pieces. This art became so popular that some reckon many pieces of very expensive pottery were deliberately broken so they could be transformed and added to prized collections of kintsugi. Others think that some older kintsugi pieces may have been imperfectly fired pieces, misshapen, cracked or warped by the firing process in the kiln. It is thought that some misfired pottery in Japan may have been broken and then returned to its intended shape using kintsugi, a process that transformed errors by outlining them in golden lines for all to see as an integral part of the beauty of the finished piece. Beauty lies in the broken, in the missing, in knowing that time has left its mark on these things. A printed line hinting at a lost design, an edge weathered by the years into a soft curve, or a curve in the pottery suggesting a bowl. Each piece is like a single flower taken from a bouquet, and nonetheless beautiful because it's alone. The beauty that lies in the partial and the broken, brought back and given a new life.
enjoyed this video and want to see more, please like and subscribe to the channel. You can support us by buying us a virtual coffee or by treating yourself to a unique handmade piece of jewellery from our Etsy shop. See you next time!